All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are going to demystify a really powerful platform that's built to tackle the, let's be honest, total chaos of modern data. It's called SAP Advanced Event Mesh. We're going to break down exactly what it is, how it actually works, and why it's such a game changer for any business that needs to operate in real time.
I mean, just think about it. We live in a world that wants everything now. You get instant stock updates, immediate order confirmations, notifications the second something happens. That expectation for speed is just, it's the new normal. But for a big, complex business with hundreds of different applications, how do you actually make that happen?
Because for most companies, the reality is this messy thing we call the modern data maze, right? You've got your sales app over here, your inventory system over there, logistics, customer service, and they're all kind of operating in their own little worlds. Getting them to talk to each other fast and reliably, it's a huge challenge. And it leads to delays, bad data, and just missed opportunities.
So how do you escape the maze? Well, the answer is in a totally different way of thinking about how your systems talk to each other. It's an architecture that was literally designed for this real-time world we're all living in. And that new approach is called Event-Driven Architecture, or EDA for short. So what does that really mean? At its heart, it means your systems stop constantly asking each other for information. Instead, they just react to events. Things that happen in the business. A customer places an order. That's an event. A package ships. That's another event.
Now, the magic behind this whole thing is a really simple but powerful idea, the publish-subscribe model. Here's how it works. An order gets placed. Boom, that's an event. A message about that order gets published to a central hub. And then any system that cares about new orders, inventory, shipping, finance, is subscribed to that hub and gets the message instantly. No more waiting around. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so that's the theory. But to actually make this happen across your whole company, you need a serious platform to run it all. And that is exactly where SAP Advanced Event Mesh comes into the picture. It's the engine that's built to power your entire event-driven architecture.
And look, Advanced Event Mesh is a complete platform. It's not just one little piece of the puzzle. It gives you literally all the tools you need for the entire life of your events, from streaming them, to managing them, to monitoring them, all in one place.
So what's actually under the hood? Let's take a look. The platform is built on 3 core services that all work together. We're going to break down each one so you can see how it all fits. First up, we've got Event Streaming, which is handled by a service called Mission Control. The easiest way to think about this? It's your delivery network. It's the plumbing, the super fast, super reliable system that makes sure your events get from point A to point B no matter what.
Mission Control is really the workhorse. It does all the heavy lifting, deploying and maintaining the event brokers that actually do the messaging. It handles that core publish-subscribe stuff we talked about, and it lets you visually map out your entire event mesh. And it manages everything seamlessly, whether your apps are in the cloud or still running on-prem.
Okay, pillar number 2 is event management, and this is run by the event portal. Now, if Mission Control is the delivery network, the event portal is like the central catalog or the main library. It's where you define, organize, and really govern all the different events that are flying around your system. The event portal is absolutely crucial for keeping things from becoming a total mess. You can design exactly what an order-placed event looks like, you can see all the events that already exist, and, this is huge, you can control who gets access to what data. And check this out, it's not just for SAP events. It can also manage events from other tech like Kafka, making it a true, single source of truth for your whole company.
And our third and final pillar is event monitoring, which is handled by a service called Insights. This one's easy to remember. It's your watchtower. It keeps an eye on the entire system 24/7, making sure everything is running the way it should, and telling you about problems before they become catastrophes.
Insights gives you that critical bird's-eye view. It's got dashboards to monitor the health of your system in real time. It uses all that data to spot potential issues and can shoot you an automatic notification if something looks off. And the best part, it can plug right into the notification and logging systems your teams are probably already using.
So, let's just recap those 3 pillars really fast. You've got Mission Control. That's your delivery network for streaming. You have the Event Portal. That's your central catalog for design and governance. And you have Insights, your watchtower for monitoring. See how they all work together? It's a complete solution.
Now, here's one of the most powerful parts of this whole thing. It's flexibility. Advanced Event Mesh isn't just for shiny new cloud-native companies. It gives you one single control plane to manage everything, whether your applications are running in your own data centers, in a private cloud, or scattered across multiple public clouds. It really does bridge every single environment.
So, we've covered the what and the how, but let's bring it all home. Let's talk about why this actually matters for a business. What's the real impact of having a company that's truly connected like this?
Well, here's what it all means. It means you can finally deliver on that promise of real-time operations. It gives you unified governance over your entire data landscape from one spot. It lets you seamlessly integrate everything, no matter where it lives. And maybe most importantly, it just makes it so much faster for your company to adopt this modern, event-driven way of working, because all the tools you need are right there in one place.
Ultimately, the whole goal here is to shift from a system that's always asking what's new to one that just reacts instantly when things happen. So I'll leave you with this question for your own organization. In a world where speed is everything, is your architecture really ready?